Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you guys are new. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a DIY garden bed. So I did get this layout idea from his channel name is CanaDIYan, so it's basically Canadian with capital DIY. I'm gonna have the link down in my description so that you guys can check out his channel and see the original video. So disclaimer, this is for beginners because we are beginners. We have no idea what we're doing. This is the first time that we've ever started gardening or anything like that. So my husband went to Lowe's and we picked up some pieces, which I'm going to show you what you guys are going to need, or at least what we used, and you guys will be able to see what we did. And this is definitely going to be a trial and error for us. Just like anybody that's beginning, we don't have the stuff to dig up the dirt and to ground it and all that stuff. So we literally went to Lowe's, we bought a shovel and some wood. So yeah. So we do have a very small backyard, but we are definitely making it work. We just got this patio. So we were going to do raised beds, but we basically realized we had a ton of space right here to grow a bunch of vegetables. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to end up doing the border like you guys saw in the thumbnail how it came out. So if you want to see how we did it, just keep on watching and I'll be doing a voiceover for you guys. So we needed to somehow level out the ground for the foundation, and I mean, disclaimer, we are just your average beginners that don't have any tools or any idea what we're doing, but we made it work. So my husband was just taking the shovel and attempting to scrape a pathway where the wood will go. I was actually inside while he was doing this, and when I walked out, I was like, what are you doing? So I ended up using this hammer thing to break up the ground to try to get the dirt to soften so that we had more wiggle room. After we did the best we could, we laid our 4x4s, which is what will act as our wall. And obviously you're going to want to go ahead and take your own measurements at home and know that you're going to need 2 long 4x4s, which ours was 197 inches. And then 2 short 4x4s, which was 37 inches for us. All my husband had to do was just write those numbers down and then go to Lowe's and show them what they needed, and they cut all the wood for him. Next, we just added wood glue to mend the middle pieces together, which didn't really help, but the glue is what will bind the top and the bottom pieces. So make sure you wiggle back and forth, and the glue will sort of sink into the wood and hold the 2 pieces together. Like I said, we are amateurs. We don't have the tools or know how to make those pocket holes that you're supposed to on an angle like this, but we needed to find a way to connect that long piece with the short piece. So I had my husband just use a regular screw at an angle and it did the job. Next, we're going to place our 2x4s that my husband had cut into 7 inches, and we were able to use these to really connect the top and bottom pieces. Also, wanted to mention we only paid for 1 2x4, and my husband asked them to just cut that board up into a bunch of 7-inch pieces. So yeah, just an FYI. Also, make sure to corner off your corners with the 7-inch board so it has a nice finished look. And then the last piece you're going to need are 5 quarter deck boards to finish off the look. And obviously the measurements for those should match your 4x4s. With those, we used the wood glue as well as screwed those down. Okay, so the dirt came in. We got dumped in front of the house. We have to dig this up because this is just clay. Oh, and then the wall came out really good. I know it's really bright right now. Almost done. You're just going to be working out here, putting the dirt in, and yeah. Okay, so we filled the planter box, or my husband did. By the way, we didn't buy it by the bag. We had a local, I don't know what it's called, but a dirt place. So it's half compost and half topsoil. So that's what this is. And we had some extra over here. It was a lot cheaper that way. This came out to $90 for all this dirt, and I believe it's 2 yards. So I just set them up where I wanted the nurseries to go. So we're gonna have the zucchini right here. I know you're supposed to have them about 2 to 3 feet, and we're just shy of 2 feet. I might stretch it out just a little bit as I'm putting them in. These ones are green bell peppers, these 4 right here. And then we have the tomatoes. And then we have zucchini, but we decided we're gonna grow them upward. So we decided we're gonna put them along the fence, probably around right there. Not too sure yet. We don't want to put them in here because it's going to be just really bushy and just kind of wild over here on this side. So I'm going to start on this side because I'm happy where those are. And then, by the way, for the tomatoes, we are eventually going to get one of those, I don't know, like a trellis to help them grow up. And these ones are going to be tall, and then these ones are going to be like pretty. They're just going to be really big, and these ones are going to go really fast. This is a planter feeder that we got. This one is going to be like a fast, slow release for nitrogen for the plants. I can just imagine like 2 years from now me looking back on this video and noticing how many things I'm doing wrong. But this is a beginner's video. I am a beginner. I am determined to have a green thumb, you guys. I'm so intrigued by it, and I want to learn. I want to be able to do that. I don't want to just say I'm going to do it. I want to actually do it and pass this along to the kids because they're growing up and stuff. So I want to be able to show them. So yeah, you guys are going to see me go ahead and start.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm.
Okay, sorry about that. I got carried away with the last clip. Now to walk you guys through what I'm doing, I'm just digging out a small hole, doesn't have to be too deep, and then I'm going to sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of feeder in there before placing the vegetable in. Then go ahead and place your plant in there and spread some dirt over the bottom and put some pressure on it so as it grows, its roots and foundation will be like secure. And then yeah, we are all done. All these plants are thirsty, so make sure to water them well, especially in hot weather. Water them early in the morning or late evening, and also sprinkle some feeder on them once a week. But we are so happy with how everything turned out. It's been 2 weeks and the zucchini is growing so fast already. Hopefully if we don't kill them off, we can harvest them in June. But yeah, that's going to be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to all you beginners, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better.
And before I end this video, for all the people that are new to my channel, I just wanted to share a small clip of my previous video, which is my productive morning routine. So I hope you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel, Lazy Housewife, and also find me on Instagram because I am pretty active on there.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
So this particular morning, the baby was already in our bed because he was crying at like 5 in the morning, so I went ahead and just brought him in bed with me. And after we have our morning snuggles, I'll go ahead and open up the curtains to let some fresh sun in. And one thing I have to do in the morning is make my bed. This is probably the #1 thing I have to do in the morning to help me have a productive day.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay.
And then of course I'm going to be doing the usual, like brush my teeth and wash my face, and then I'm going to be putting on some workout clothes for my morning workout, which you guys will see in a bit.
Calm your soul.
So before I get started on my workout, I like to keep breakfast super quick and simple for productive mornings. I do not like to do a big production in the kitchen because that will quickly drain my energy for the day. The kitchen will be messy and then I'll end up talking myself out of working out. So I make sure these mornings are super simple, which by the way, I didn't want to show too much because I'd like to do a separate video, like a mommy morning routine, because if you didn't know, I do have 4 kids, and I mean that's a whole video in itself. So let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in a video like that. So after I have some tea, I will do my quick workout, and currently I'm doing one of Shanti's programs, which I'm on week 4 right now. And I have been loving that my little ones love to join me during this workout. It's so cute, like watching this back right now and like editing and just seeing how they're totally into it. Next, after my workout, I'll take a quick shower, and another tip I have on having a productive day is to get yourself ready for the day, especially working out at home. I don't always have the time to do both my hair and makeup, so I'll try to at least do one of them. Like for instance, this day, I wanted to do my makeup and I knew I wasn't going to have time to like straighten my hair, so I just quickly tossed it with some anti-frizz and gel, and I swear when you're ready for the day, it literally will help you be prepared for anything that the day throws at you. Whether someone stops by or you need to step out, you don't have to worry about like, oh, I need to get ready. So it's always better just to try and put yourself together for the day, and that's just one of my favorite like mood boosters that I can do for myself. So yeah.
Okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Aimless, shouting, bringing up all of our mistakes. What we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see